The Uncle Charlie way. Hello everyone. Most of the times when formatting US drives using Rufus to install operating systems, whether you want to upgrade or not, we get the option to choose the partition scheme of the drive we are going to install the OS on. And we have MBR, master boot record, GPT, GUID, partition table. And so I will show you how to check the partition scheme on a Windows 10 machine today. Firstly, click on the Windows key to bring up the menu and search partition, and you are going to see the create and format partition, and click on it. Locate the drive and right click on it. Click on properties, it will take you to this menu. Select hardware and locate your drive. Click on properties and then you select the volumes and then you click on populate. So as you can see, you will see the partition style as indicated. So this one is a GUID partition table, it's not an MBR. So remember, you should always know the partition style to avoid time wasting. Thank you for your time. Please thumbs up this video, continue to subscribe and comment below. Thank you.